Bob the Dog, written by Rodrigo Falguera, illustrated by Polly Bernatine. Mark and Bob the dog were playing in the park one day. They were running and laughing so hard that they didn't see the gulp, tiny little yellow bird. Bob began to sob. "Oh, I've eaten him," he cried. "I've eaten the tiny innocent little birdie wordy." Mark tried to comfort him, but Bob didn't eat birds. He sobbed and he wailed and he howled. Then Bob's tummy made a strange noise. Tweet! "He's alive, Bob," cried Mark. And then the little voice spoke. "My name is Jeremy the canary, and I'm hiding in here." And he wouldn't say another word. "Oh dear," said Mark. "I think we'd better get some help." Bob and Mark gathered all their friends, Roger the rabbit, Kathy the cat, and of course, Oscar the owl. First, Kathy the cat tried blowing pepper up Bob's nose to make Jeremy come out with a sneeze. Achoo! But that didn't work either. It just made Bob fall over. Next, Roger the rabbit tried bouncing on Bob's belly to make Jeremy pop out with a burp. Boing, boing, boing. But that didn't work. It just made Bob feel sick. Then Oscar the owl tried shaking Bob to make Jeremy fall out. Whoa. But that didn't work either. It just made Bob feel dizzy. "Please," yelled Mark, "somebody help my dog." Suddenly, they heard a deafening roar. "Jeremy!" bellowed the big canary. "Mommy," said Jeremy. "You better believe it's Mommy," she boomed. Bob felt the flutter in his tummy. And Jeremy the canary appeared. "I'm sorry," he said in a small voice. "I just didn't want to clean my room." "Well," said Mommy, "if you don't want to clean your room, you can always clean Bob's room." And Jeremy never complained about cleaning his own room ever again. The end.